Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 2nd, 2025, we're analyzing QQQ, examining both the news and the charts. First, let's dive into the news. The biggest headline is the anticipation of President Trump's tariff announcement later today, which is being called a tariff bazooka by some. Many economists are predicting these tariffs could cost households thousands of dollars. Goldman Sachs is warning that auto tariffs may send car prices surging. This uncertainty is weighing heavily on the market. The Nasdaq is nearing correction territory amid these trade tensions. Also, Intel's stock sank recently, following news about challenges in their turnaround, while Tesla's stock has also declined. All of these events, with tariffs, inflation worries, and disappointing consumer sentiment, is currently impacting the market. Let's move to the charts and see how these events could be reflected in the price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a lot of volatility and some recent downward trends, influenced by the current market anxieties. We see that the trend has generally been upward since late 2023, but there have been some recent corrections. I'll show a zoom in of this area next. Narrowing in, we can see that the price tested 435 multiple times, with some rebounds afterward. Seeing if QQQ can stay above that is important in the short term. The QQQ also previously tested and bounced off of the 410 to 415 area multiple times. So, if 435 fails to hold a support, then that's the next line to watch. Whether those supports hold may well depend on today's 4 p.m. tariff announcement, or further negative news on Intel or Tesla. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a shorter-term perspective. Here, we can see very recent volatility. Using the 15-minute chart might give us more detail here. Looking at a recent range on the 15-minute chart, we can see that the price has generally been trending downwards after 12 p.m., though it is fairly range-bound. It looks like 469 has served as resistance, while 466 has served as support. Switching back to the daily chart, let's recap. Key price levels to watch are the support around 435 and the prior support around 410 to 415. If the tariffs are more severe than expected, we could see QQQ test these levels and potentially break lower. Conversely, a milder announcement might provide a relief rally. Keep an eye on how the market reacts after 10 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated and 11 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated today, which the news article said could be important timeframes for the markets. In summary, the direction of QQQ hinges on external events. A bullish scenario depends on positive news regarding tariffs, while bearish momentum could intensify with unfavorable announcements. The 435 and 410 to 415 levels are critical for assessing short-term trends. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts.